There are 6 ways to draw a tree like an architect. From basic to simple, better, if you're an architect illustrator, when you're short on time but still want to make it look fancy, and finally, when you are a Starchitect, which you're probably not, but let's find out your style of drawing a tree. There's absolutely nothing wrong with drawing a basic tree like this, as a quick graphic shortcut using only basic 2D shapes like lines and circles. It gets the job done. Next level is simple. Still drawing in 2D, just using this more appropriate and visually interesting type of discontinuous zigzaggy organic line for the crown and adding a few more details to the trunk and ground. Simple. If you want to do better than that, you're going to think in volume instead of just 2D. You want to suggest shading and give it overall more organic feel with added details to the crown with falling leaves, more textured trunk and additional details on the ground. If you're an architectural illustrator, you're going to go more crazy. Your tree isn't just straight and vertical, it's got attitude now. And because you're an architect and you still like geometry, you're going to use this angular style. It's expressive, confident, and unapologetically weird. If you're short on time but still want to make it look fancy, I just use one of the stencils here in Morpholio trays in a combination with a watercolor brush and quickly paint it over with a few colors. Looks handcrafted, took 12 seconds. And if you were a Starchitect, which I know you're not, you could get away with something like this.